Hi, I'm Marna, and at the Antique Mall, I found two, not one, two of the Chatty Cathy tree ornaments, Christmas tree ornaments. Aren't they adorable? They have little cloth, well, they're painted underneath, but they have, oops, the original outfits on. This one has the hand tag that Chatty Cathy as a doll came with in the 60s. They have pull strings, which, can you see it there or not? It's kind of down, but watch this. Oh, and their little arms move. Really cute. This one, that one,
I'm sleepy.
is that adorable? And you pull the string.
Please brush my hair.
They are battery activated, and the batteries came with them. This one came with the original batteries because it was still in the little plastic. But I just thought that was fun, and it added to my Chatty Cathy collection. There is a dark-haired model, and I'll be snooping for it. Thank you. Please drop us a like and subscribe.